Good morning. Let's see what today's setup is going to be all about. Let's get my tea. Oh, today we're having some ginger tea with some honey. Yum. Yummy. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. All right, let's move along. So this is how the book looks. I am obsessed. I do love it. It's super simple, super chic. You can pretty much do anything with it. It's a small book. Usually Tom Ford books are bigger, but this is a DIY, so you create as you please. Okay. I do wish I went smaller with the letters on the side though. I ended up getting a 1/2 inch, but suggestion guys, if you do like it like this, you are more than welcome to try it like this, but in my opinion, I would probably go smaller. So I am not going to seal this in because I'm not satisfied, but for the sake of the video, but I would personally put Tom going horizontal and Ford going horizontal instead of it going vertically. I think that look would look so much better, so much cleaner, and if the letters were a little bit more smaller. So that's that on that.